Alright guys, just a small question. When the parents them know the out here private part. Alright guys, I don't know, this is your boy Anthony Tracy and these are the 5 things every Jamaican millennial should remember. Run it. Who remember Winter Spark? Winter Spark, they have the rides, them and thing, and then it used to have like the live performances them too. That was a good time. Who remember the plane simulator where they did their Emancipation Park? Them time Emancipation Park used to nice, you know man. Child was star. Who remember the songbook them? Before we had Rap Genius and whatever, them little website that we used to go up and you know, watch the lyrics them for some of them song, yeah. We used to could have buy it, and they used to come in a one little book there with all of the lyrics them for the latest song them. Not for the time them the songbook them did wrong, you know. But we used to still buy it the same way so we could have learned the lyrics them to our favorite song. Who remember that? I can't just me alone remember it. Who remember LimeWire? You know, before we had Spotify, before we had Apple Music and all these lovely streaming platforms, we used to have LimeWire, where we used to download all our favorite songs, them all burn pan 2 CD and thing. Yeah, you used to get rid of computer and beer virus, you know, but we never business. We still have download same way. And last but certainly not least, who remember this? I feel like every time I bring it up to my friend them, nobody can remember this. People make it seem like a dream it, eh? Show man, this is nice, you know? Alright, I know I miss out a whole heap of things, you know. But here I want to do. I want to drop some things from full childhood memory. Alright? Millennials only. Alright, I don't want to know Gen Z and I don't want to know Gen Alpha in my comments. Alright? Cool. Alright, big up on yourself.